Just scare my cat with this, guys. Why? Because she always scares me with her like a good jump scare, like, cause yeah, she's a cat. Cats do good scares, like yeah, and you play with them. But she always scares me whenever I'm not playing with her. She does both, so I can scare her. Good one right there. You can stare at her, and then when she comes by, she. Kitty? Why? Why, kitty? So it's just quiet then, kitty? Kitty? What? I'll scare you something, kitty. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. I didn't buy. Just give her a bit anyway. She's not gonna buy. So I'm sorry, kitty, but you deserve it. I get you back. I get you back. Anyways, happy Easter, guys.